In this video, I'm going to show you how to see all the games you have ever played on Roblox. There is no specific feature or specific list that holds your all the games that you have played on Roblox, but when you scroll a little down, you will find a section continue. Here you will find the games that you have played recently and played a while ago, but here you can find over 50 games listed in here, so you can find out the games that you have played a while ago and recently. But if you want to find the game that you have played far ago when you create your account or later that, then you can find that game in here. But we can find some games that we want to play that we used to play when we created the account far ago. Then we just need to search to in our inventory for the item that related to the game. Also, if you have ever create a private server on that game, then you can find the game from here. And also, if you got any items or rewards related to the game you have in your inventory, then you can access the game by the items that you got from the game. Now, in inventory, in the bottom, you will find private servers. You will find the private servers that you have created on game. You can find all the private servers that you have created, and from here you will find the most oldest private servers. As you can see, this is my new account. That's why I don't have any private servers right now, but you can find all the private servers that you have created. And also you can find the game name from your badges. If you earn a badge from that game, then you can find it, but you'll find all the pages available here. For me, I have only 2 badges available in my account, and you can see the game name is also mentioned right down of the game badges. And if you get any rewards from the game, then you also can access the game from the rewards, and there you also get the name of the game. You need to just simply search the in the Roblox with the game name, and you will find the game if the creator didn't remove the game from the Roblox server. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a like. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.